To integrate Azure Synapse with Git, start by creating a new Git repository in Azure DevOps or GitHub. This will serve as the central location for your Synapse workspace code. Next, navigate to your Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Manage tab. Then select Git configuration. Choose the Git repository you created and authorize Azure Synapse to access it. After configuring the Git repository, you will need to publish your Synapse workspace to the Git repository. This will create a new branch in your repository. You can then work on your Synapse artifacts, such as pipelines, datasets, and notebooks, and commit changes to the Git repository. To collaborate with others, create a new branch for each feature or update, make changes and commit them. Then create a pull request to merge the changes into the main branch. Azure Synapse will automatically sync the changes with your workspace. Best practices for Azure Synapse Git integration include using a consistent naming convention, regularly committing changes, and using pull requests for code review. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate Azure Synapse with Git and improve collaboration and version control. For your Synapse workspace, key concepts to keep in mind include Git repositories, branches, and pull requests, as well as Azure Synapse workspaces and artifacts. By understanding these concepts and following the steps outlined, you can successfully integrate Azure Synapse with Git and improve your data integration and analytics workflows. In summary, integrating Azure Synapse with Git provides a robust version control system, enabling collaboration and consistency across your data integration and analytics workflows. By following the steps and best practices outlined, you can ensure a successful integration and improve your overall data management capabilities.